Hello.
Hello, Mr.
Yasmin.
Kasim. We're not Yasmin. We're not gonna be. We're not gonna be able to join this lesson because it's my birthday today.
Yeah, and we're celebrating.
And we're celebrating.
Yeah.
We just want to make him funny.
Yeah,
So
we just wanted
why
to
is
join.
Jasmine there?
Because we're close friends and we meet
But
a lot.
we invited each other.
Yeah, we invite a lot. So we meet up a lot.
No, I don't understand. But Jasmine, you are in grade 6 or grade 8?
6. I'm 6 too.
Oh, I see. I see. When you said Jasmine, I thought I just confused with another student in grade 8.
Yasmin, not Jasmine, Yasmin. The girl who joined classes too?
You know Jasmine,
here too, I
right?
didn't
In
know.
grade 8.
Oh, the young, Jasmine Young?
Jasmine,
Or the last
surname,
name?
I don't know. She's from Scotland, I think.
Oh, and she's like ginger and she has blue eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know her. But it's not me. No.
I mean,
It's
does she
not
also
me.
study at your school?
Yeah.
I see. Yeah, Neil, actually, I remember it was your birthday, right? Happy birthday. So, did you cut the cake or
Thank
not
you.
yet?
We're gonna cut a little bit later.
Later. What time? At midnight?
Not at midnight.
No.
After like 30 minutes or
Yeah, we're
10
waiting.
minutes.
We're waiting, yeah, 10. We're just waiting.
Waiting for whom?
the cake.
Ah,
That sounded weird. But yeah, I'm also in this class, so if you want, you can mark me as absent. But yeah,
We're not gonna be able to join because because it's my birthday. We wanted to come, but it was like and then I remember that today was my birthday, and then yes, I couldn't.
what you remember? All of a sudden, you remembered? How come you are making a plan? Yeah, no,
I
come on,
remember
be
that we
honest.
had this lesson.
Okay,
I
it's
remember that
okay.
we had
No
this
problem.
lesson.
Yeah, Jasmine, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 12 or 13?
12, and she's already 12, but I turned 12 today.
haha, I'm older.
Okay, very good. Okay, Neil, Jasmine, and enjoy your party. Happy birthday. I hope you will be
Thank you.
smarter, better,
nice
and I hope I will see a big change next time, Neil, because now there's a big difference between the age of 11 and 12, right? Okay, good. But he wins this. Hi, Shamil, Nazar, Sadiq, guys, how are you? Why are you late today?
Sorry, we forgot about this session.
Were you sleeping, Nazar?
No.
No. Shamil, how about you? Hello, Shamil. He ran away again. Where is he?
Hello, Mr. Kasim.
Hi, Sadiq. How are you, Sadiq?
Good.
Where are you? Still in Paris or you already came back?
No, I'm not in Paris.
Still in Paris. Oh, I think you like Paris a lot.
Yes.
Good. So, guys, if possible, Sadiq, turn on your camera. Nazlı, are you ready for class?
Yes.
Shall we start?
Yeah.
Do you have a piece of paper or notebook on your table? Because today you are
Yes.
going to solve a lot of problems, Nazlı.
I have.
Good. Shamil, are you ready? Where is Shamil? Disappeared. Sadiq, turn on your camera. Let's see the Eiffel Tower.
I'm here.
Yes, wait, I'm opening.
Okay, good. Good. Shamil, what date is it today?
It's March 9th.
Very good. So that's good. Guys, let's continue. We will practice a bit more questions, but today we will practice questions from primary 6. Okay. And the questions are similar, but some questions may be a little bit harder. All right. So Nazlı, Shamil, Sadiq, keep your cameras on, okay? And you are going to answer the questions because as you know, the first 15 questions are easy questions, right? And after that, maybe other questions we will solve together, okay? Let's start. Shamil, read the question.
A clock takes 3 seconds to make 4 chimes. Assuming that the rate of chiming is constant and the duration of each chime is negligible,
Negligible.
does
Negligible.
negligible, how long does the clock take to make 8 chimes?
Okay. Wow. Look at this Sadiq, you know, in front of the Eiffel Tower, drinking coffee and joining the math class. How is the feeling there, Sadiq? What do you feel now?
Can I
It's
answer the question?
excellent.
Yeah. Yes, Shami, what do you think? What is the answer?
6 seconds.
6, right? What? It is
6
6.
seconds.
Yeah, because it's 3 seconds, it is 4 chimes. To make 8 chimes, right, we need to multiply by 2, so it is 6 seconds. Very good. Sadiq, read the question and answer the question. We did a few similar questions. Now you need to have a clear idea how to solve this kind of questions, right? Sadiq, read the question.
Yes, if n is a whole number, for what values of n is 36 and n also a whole number?
Okay, for what values of n, also a whole number. So for what values of n, also 36 over n, a whole number. So simply, Sadiq, can you tell me about n? What are the possible values of n? They are factors of 36, right? So can you
Yes.
tell me all the factors of 36?
Teacher, I can't hear you.
Really? Why not? Sadiq, can you hear me?
I can't hear.
Yes, I can.
Okay,
Now
good,
I can.
good. Shamil, I think you reconnected. Yes, Sadiq, tell me, what are the factors of 36?
Yes. 1, 2, then. Yes, not 3, 6.
How about 4? Also 4, right?
Yes,
36
for
over
2.
4, it is 9. And next one is 6. Next is 9. Next,
16.
12.
6.
And 18. And 36, right? All of these numbers are factors of 36 because if you divide 36 by any of these numbers, the result will be a whole number. Okay, so these are all the possible numbers where 36 over n will be a whole number. Nazlı, your turn. Read the question. Okay, now this rejoining here. Fikriye, are you here?
Yes,
Okay, Fikriye, can you read question 3?
yes, I can. Find the smallest whole number between 1 and 100 that is divisible by 12 and by 30.
Okay, the 1 and 100 that are divisible by 12 and 30, right? So here between these two numbers, 30 is the bigger number. Let's just list the multiples of 30. That is 30 and 60 and 90, right? So the 30 is not divisible by 12, so we don't take this one. How about 60? It is divisible by 30. It is divisible by 12. So the answer is, it is 60. Fikriye, also, can you read this question?
Yes, a shop sells sweets where every sweets wrappers can be exchanged for one more sweet. Catherine has enough money to buy only 26 sweets. What is the biggest number of sweets that she can get from the shop?
Sadiq, what do you think? Did you understand this question? Did we solve similar question before?
Yes, we have.
We did it. We did it.
Okay, can you try this? What do you think? What is, how many can we buy? Everybody do it and leave your answer in the chat box. Let's see. Nazlı, really? No, 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 no. Get down. Get down. Shh. And but here I have a naughty girl. Ah, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
I just sleep in my door.
Nazlı, how did you get 34? How about others? Kiriya, any answer?
I will get soon.
Okay. Sadik, how about you?
34 also.
Okay, good. Here, guys, here, suppose that Nazlı went to the shop and Nazlı has a bag here. She's very smart girl, okay? Under this condition, she's trying to get as many sweets as possible. Here it says that Catherine or Nazlı has enough money to buy 26 sweets. So she enters the shop, right? The first one, she just gives some money and gets 26 sweets. And immediately, actually, we are talking about the sweets and it has wrappers, right? It's just wrapper one piece of paper. And just removes all the wrappers and put the sweets here. Now she has 26 sweets in the bag. And now in her hand, she has 26 wrappers, right? This 26 wrappers, it just sort of split this into two. Here that is 24 wrappers and the 2 wrappers. And for this, she gives it back to the shopkeeper. And how many 3 wrappers do we have here? 8, right? Because I can write it as 8 times 3 wrappers. For each wrapper, he can get 8 sweets. Now she has 8 sweets and immediately removes the wrappers and put the candies here. Okay, that is, what is it? 8 more. Okay, so now here we have immediately removes the wrappers, 8 wrappers here, and from here we have 2 wrappers, right? How many? Now she has 10 wrappers. So again, this 10 wrappers, I can write it as 9 wrappers and only 1 wrapper. For this, I can buy 3 more candies or sweets. And immediately I just put this into my basket, right? And I have 3 wrappers here. Now, if you just combine them, we have 4 wrappers. For these 4 wrappers, I can buy 1 more candy, actually only for 3. So again, I put this into your basket. Now that's it. Now we have only 2 wrappers left. With 2 wrappers, we cannot buy a sweet. So how many? It is 26 plus 8 plus 3 plus 1. That's equal to 38. Okay, Nazlı, did you
I
understand?
got 34.
Yeah, but because you didn't continue, because when you just put new switch, Sadiq, immediately we can remove also the wrappers, right? And we can exchange them with for new candies or sweets. That is a tricky part of the question. That's the tricky part. What is the point in this question? Nazlı, did you get it?
I don't think so.
Fikriye, how about you?
Yeah, I get it.
If you get it, how about if I change the question a little bit? Can you solve it? Now, how about instead of not actually not 26, how about if we had 29? Now try, and everybody, let's see how many did you get. Can you solve this now correctly or not? Instead of 26, how about if Catherine has enough money to buy 29 sweets? And 3 sweet wrappers can be exchanged for 1 more sweet. What is the biggest number of sweets that she can get from the shop? Sadiq, did you get anything?
I joined right now. My internet went away because of that. It reconnected.
Fikriye, how about you?
Can you give me 1 more minute?
Okay, 1 more minute is yours.
Mister, is it 39 or 38?
No, more than that. Okay, let's wait for Fikriye. After that, we will discuss together.
Okay, I did.
How many did you get, Fikriye?
43.
Oh, that's a correct answer. Very good. Sadiq, the correct answer is 43. You know why? Again, suppose that that's our basket, okay? And each time I buy the candy, I'm going to put them into this basket. First, you enter the shop, right? And you have enough money for 29 sweets.
Like the tree.
Shh.
I want the tree.
So here we have 29. And immediately I put this into the basket. Now I have 29. Now I have 29 wrappers. So which is, what is it? It is 27 wrappers plus 2 wrappers. And for this, I can buy how many? I can buy 9 candies or sweets. And immediately I remove the wrappers and put the candies here. So now after that, I have 9 wrappers, right? And again, if we just join nothing here, for 9 wrappers, I can buy 3 candies again. Again, 3 sweets put into the basket. Now I have 3 wrappers, right? And for these 3 wrappers, I can buy again 1 more sweet, right? And put it into your basket. Now I have 1 more wrapper. At the beginning, I was keeping these 2 wrappers here, right? And together, how many? 3 wrappers. And for the 3 wrappers, I can buy 1 more sweet. Then put here 1 more sweet. So now if you add this, 29 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1, 38, 41, that is 43.
Mr. Kasim,
Yes, Sadiq.
I did not understand why did you do two times plus 1. I understood the first one, why did you plus, but why did you do the second time?
Now the first one, 29, I put 29. And after that, now we have 29 wrappers. Now these 2 wrappers I just keep in my pocket because it's not enough to buy sweets. For these 27 wrappers, I buy 9 sweets, right? And again, 9 I put into the basket. Now I have 9 wrappers. For this 9 wrappers, I can buy 3 sweets, and I just put the sweets into the bag. Now I have 3 wrappers. For 3 wrappers, how many candy I can buy? Sweet I can buy 1, right?
Yes.
So now I put 1 here. But at the beginning, Sadiq, here, I was just keeping 2 wrappers in my pocket here.
Yes.
So now I have 1 more. If you just combine them, now I have 3 wrappers, right?
Yes. And one
So
more
for the
candy.
3 wrappers, I can buy 1 more for the last 3 wrappers. So that's why I added 1 twice. Then it is 43. Okay, good. That's good. Let's continue. How about this question? Guys, this question, Fikriya, what do you think? Do you have any idea how to do this?
Yes. I
What do you
remember how you explained us last time.
Very good.
Mm,
So now if you just add this, right, you 1 plus 1 over 2, that is 3 over 2. 1 plus 1 over 3, that is 4 over 3. 1 plus 1 over 4, that is 5 over 4, and this continues. And the last one is 2015 over 2014. Maybe even I can just write, for example, before this 2014, what number do we have here? So here we will have 2014 over 2013 times 2015 over 2014, right? Because here we have numerator 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2014, 2015. How about denominator 2, 3, 4, 2013, 2014, right? Now,
Mr. Kazım,
yes.
I get the answer. Like, I did it.
What did you get?
I got 2015 over 2.
Very good. That's correct answer. So this 3, 3, they cancel out each other. 4, 4, and 5, 5. 2013, 2013, 2014, 2014. So the first fraction's denominator and the last fraction numerator left, right? So that is 2015 over 2, which is equal to 1007 and a half. Or just simply 1007.5. Okay. Next question. Sadiq, read the question.
Yes. The diagram shows a quadrant OAB of a circle with a center 0, O, and radius 7 centimeters. Given that the perimeter of the rectangle OPQR is 20 centimeters, find the perimeter of the shaded region.
Yeah, that's a little bit difficult question. What do you think? Sadiq, Fikriya, can you solve this? Nazlı,
I
Shamil,
think that we need to just find.
what did you say?
I think that we need to find the area of circle firstly with radius. Then we need to find the area of
Not area, it's
rectangle.
perimeter, right? The perimeter.
Okay, then perimeter, and then we need to subtract, like, if we will find the area of this rectangle, then we will would subtract just this unshaded region, and we will.
Very good. Fikriya, let's do it together, okay? Because now if I give you time, you can maybe try, but before we continue down, we need to know that if you're given a circle, right? And the radius is, let's say, R, what is the circumference? Circumference is 2 pi R, right? So now if we are talking about a quadrant, 1/4 of a circle, right? So what is the length of only this part? Okay, only this part. So that's equal to what is it? let me just call it length. That's equal to 1/4, right? Because 1/4 of the circle, and here we have 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 to cancel each other. That's equal to 1/2 times pi times r. That is the length of the quadrant of the circle, 1/4. Okay, now let's move back to the question. Now from here, we know that if you look at this, what is the radius of the circle? It is 7, right? So now if you look at this OQ, is it a radius? Yes. OA, it is radius. OB, it is radius. And also OQ and PR, they are diagonals of the rectangle PQR, right? PQRO. And also every rectangle has 2 diagonals and they are equal to each other. So I can write this equation that from here, OQ is equal to PR is equal to OA is equal to OB. All of these line segments are equal. Sadi, can you see that? Why they are equal? If yes, that's good. And actually that's equal to what? That's equal to 7 centimeters because it says that the radius of the circle is 7 centimeters. Now I will continue. So suppose that this PA, let's say it is not PA, it says the perimeter of the rectangle is 20. Suppose that the width of the rectangle is A and length, let's say it is B. Okay. So Fikriya, can you tell me what is the length of PA? Yes, Fikriya, can you tell me what is the length of PA or AP? It is 7 minus 8, right? Because the radius OA is equal to 7, OP is equal to A, so PA must be 7 minus 8. And how about BR? How about this BR? Since OR is equal to B, OB is equal to 7, so BR should be 7 minus B. Okay, and how about PR? We know that PR is equal to 7. And how about the length of AQB? Now using this L, right, this BQB, that's equal to 1/2 times pi. What is pi? It is given 22/7 times R. What is R? Is equal to 7. So that's equal to 7 cancels each other. 22/2, that's equal to 11. So now let me just write. What is the perimeter of the shaded region? Perimeter of the shaded region equals RB, right? I just start with RB, that is 7 minus B, plus the length of the arc BQA, that's equal to 11, we have just found here, plus AP, that is 7 minus A, plus PR, that's equal to 7. Perimeter means the length of the boundary, right? Now, if you simplify this, 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21, plus 11, it is 32. Now here we have minus B minus A. Take this minus out. Here we have A plus B. That is equal to 32 minus. What is A plus B? A plus B we have just found here, right? Okay, I didn't find it yet. So it says that the perimeter of the rectangle is 20. From here, that's the first one. Perimeter of triangle OPQR, which is equal to 2 times A plus B. That's equal to 20. Now from here, if you divide both sides by 2, so here we have A plus B is equal to 10. So now what is A plus B is equal to 10. So the length is equal to 22 centimeters. Fikriya, did you understand?
Yes.
Sadiq, how about you?
Yes, but not too much.
Nazlı Shamil, are you there?
Yes, I understood.
What are you doing now that Sham is sleeping or playing games or watching something? What? Okay, guys, let's move. Sadiq, you need to try to do this question once again, okay? Just we are using very simple method, but just it is not too short. You need to write down everything, otherwise you cannot get the answer, okay? And you will see that that's very easy. That's very easy question, everybody. Shamil, read the question.
The average mass of a duck and the chicken is 4 kilograms. The duck is 1.2 kilograms heavier than the chicken. Find the mass of the duck.
Okay, that's a question. You
I
have
know
two.
that. Oh,
Huh? You write
no.
it, do it, okay, 2 minutes and write your answer. Let's see what you get. 2 minutes. Time starts now. Very easy question, Shamil.
I wrote the answer.
Shamil, are you sure?
Yes.
I think your answer is not correct, Shamil. Fikriya, no. How come? Fikriya, the average mass of a duck and chicken is 4 kg, and duck is 1.2 kg heavier than the chicken. What is the mass of the duck? How can it be 1.4? The average mass is 4. What does average mass? That means that the mass of duck plus chicken divided by 2, right? Okay, look. Suppose that the duck and the chicken is 4 kg. What does it mean? Duck plus chicken
Mr. Kassim.
divided by 2, that's equal to 4. Now, if you multiply both sides by 2, what is D plus C? That's equal to 2 times 4, that is 8. And in the
Mr.
question,
Kazan,
yes.
is it 3.89?
No, more than that. Now look here, the duck is to 1.2 kg heavier. What does it mean? It means a duck is equal to chicken plus 1.2, right? Now from here, what is chicken? Chicken is duck minus 1.2. Now if you substitute, because we need to find duck, right? Duck plus what is chicken? Duck minus 1.2. On the right hand side, we have 8. D plus D, it is 2D. Take 1.2 to the right hand side and 8 plus 1.2. What is D? It is 9.2 over 2. That's equal to 4.6. So duck is, what is it? Duck is 4.6 kg. Okay, Sadiq. Fikriya, do you have any questions?
No, thank you.
Mister,
Yes.
I do not understand. The average mass of the duck and the chicken is 4 kilograms. Then how can a duck be 4.6 kilograms?
Okay, look, if duck is 4.6, what is chicken? Chicken is 4.6 minus 1.2. That's equal to 3.4. Chicken. Now, find the average mass. What is the average mass? Let me just do it here. What is duck? 4.6. Chicken, 3.4. And divided by 2. 4.6 plus 3.4, it is 8 over 2. That's equal to 4. Sadik, average mass means we need to add their masses and after that divide by 2, right?
Okay.
All right. Sadik, read the question.
A whole number is between 50 and 100. When it's divided by 5, the remainder is 3. When it is divided by 7, the remainder is 5. Find the number.
Okay. Guys, you have 1.5 minutes. Give a try. Very easy question. Let's see who can get the correct answer. Fikriye, any answer? Sadik, Nazlı, Şamil?
68.
68. Very good. Sadik, how about you?
No, I don't have an answer yet.
Fikriye, how did you get it? Can you just tell me the method how you got the answer?
I found the numbers that is divisible by 5, like the numbers that ends with 0 and 5, and then just plus to them 3.
Good. Anyway, another general method is how we should solve this kind of questions. It says that a whole number is between 100 and 50 and 100. Suppose that a number is n. That means that n is greater than 50 and less than 100. The first one. The second one, it says that when it is divided by 5, remainder is 3. So that means that if I divide n by 5, I have some quotient, I don't know, the remainder is 3. But when you divide it, that's the same number by 7, I have another quotient here, the remainder is 5. Remainder is 5. Okay. So now the question is, what is that number, right? So this 5 and 7, 7 is bigger number. If I use this equation, we can reach that number much faster. So what are the numbers? When you divide by 5, the remainder is 5. We know that between 50 and 100, the first smallest number is when b is equal to 7, right? That is 54. But if you divide 54 by 5, the remainder is 4. So it doesn't work. Next number is 61. If you divide it by 5, remainder is 1. Also, it doesn't work. Next number is 68. If you divide 68 by 5, remainder is 3. By 7, remainder is 5. So the first number is 68. So it says that what is it? The whole number. So that is 68. When you divide by 5, remainder is 3. When you divide by 7, remainder is 5. And it is between 50 and 100. Very good. Next question. Fikriye, read the question.
A man traveled at 120 kilometers per hour for the first half of a 12-kilometer journey. Then he traveled at 60 kilometer per hour for the rest of his journey. What is the average speed of his whole journey?
Okay. When I ask this question, a lot of students, they make a mistake because to answer this question, we need to know the definition of what is it? The average speed. What is the average speed? Fikri, how do you find the average speed?
I think we plus the numbers and then divide it by 2.
No, that is wrong. A lot of students
To,
think like
to
that.
find the speed, we need to divide distance and time.
Actually, the average speed is we for total distance traveled, okay? We need to divide this by total time taken. So now we are saying that a man traveled 120 kilometers per hour for the first half of a 12-kilometer journey, right? And so that means that for the first half of a 12-kilometer journey, that means that from A to B, what is it? The first half is 6 kilometers. And the second half is, let's say, from B to C, that is the remaining part, 6 kilometers. The first part, he traveled at the speed of 120 kilometers per hour. And the second one, he traveled at 60 kilometers per hour. To find the average speed, let's say the average speed, the total time. Shakiriya, what is the total time traveled? Okay, total time traveled is from A to B, 6 from B to C, 6. That is 6 plus 6, it is, what is it? 12 kilometers. How about the total time taken? All right. And we know that distance is equal to speed times time. And how about time? Time equals distance over speed. So now from here, what is distance? 6 kilometers. And what speed did we travel? 6 kilometers, 120. To find the time taken here, I should divide distance by speed. That is time actually. This gives us the time to travel from A to B. From B to C, how much time did we spend? That is distance over speed. That is distance is 6, speed is 60. So this gives us the average speed for the whole journey. So now if you simplify this, numerator we have 2 times 6. Denominator, let me just write it, not 2 times 6, just like it is 12. And denominator, 6 over 120, that is 1 over 20. 6 over 60, 1 over 10. Equals 12 over common denominator, 1 over 20 plus 1 over 10, that is 20. And 1 plus 2, that's equal to 3. And we know that dividing a whole number by a fraction, this will go up, right? So which is equal to 12 times 20 over 3. And the 12 over 3, that's equal to 4 times 20. So that's equal to 80 kilometers per hour. So that is the average speed for the whole journey. Now, Fikri, as you said, for example, if you just add the speed and divide by 2, that is 120 plus next one is 60. And divide by 2, what is it? 180, that's equal to 90 kilometers per hour. That is wrong. Okay, that's not how we find this. We don't just add the speed and divide them because time is important. Okay, the speed, but how much time did you spend to travel that distance? Okay. Okay, Fikri, Sadiq, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, guys, the last question, and I will finish the question. Today's class, 10, 11. Okay, good. Sadiq, read the question, and after that, I will solve for you.
Yes. Amy buys an item for a 20% discount during a sale, but she still needs to pay a 5% GCT, goods and services tax. GST, goods and services tax. She's given two options. Option A, 20%
Percent discount.
20%. discount first, then add 5 discount GST. Option B, add 5% GST first, then 20% discount. Which option is cheaper for Amy, or does it not matter?
Okay. Now, suppose that you are buying, what is it? Amy buys an item. What item is it? Maybe t-shirt or something, a telephone. Suppose that its price is $100. Okay. Now, according to option A, what is it saying? First 20% discount first, and after that add 5%, right? 20% discount means here we have $100. And what is 20% of $100? It is $20, which is equal to $80. And now after that, we need to pay GST tax to the government, because in a lot of countries, they have GST. Like if you come to Malaysia or Singapore or Thailand, whatever you buy, you need to pay extra GST. That is goods and service tax that's paid to the government. Anyway, so now we need to add 5%. So that means that the second, now we need to add 5% GST plus 5% of, what is it? $80, which is 80 plus 5% of 80 is 5 over 100 times 80. That's equal to 4. So that means that overall you are paying $84 for the item, right? And how about option B? It says that add 5% GST first, then 20% discount. So that means that first we need to add $100 plus 5%. We are adding of what? $100. So now it is $105. So after that, he's going to make 20% discount. So that is $105 minus 20% of, what is it? $105. So here we have $105 minus 20% means 20 over 100. That's equal to 1 over 5 times 105. And 105 over 5, it is 21. And 105 minus 21, that's equal to how much? 84.
It doesn't, or it doesn't matter, yes?
So it doesn't matter. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Good. Nazlı, Sadiq, Shamil, Fikriya, if you have time, you try to practice other questions, okay? If you have a look and come to the class, we'll go much faster. If you get any stuck somewhere, so we need to ask here and discuss. And when you discuss things, you can understand more and you will not forget easily. Otherwise, just if you listen, you will not learn much, okay? All right, Sadiq, when is our next class?
Thursday.
Thursday. Okay, guys, and have a good night. I will see you on Thursday, okay?
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.